Welcome to our channel. If you have a BMO Harris virtual card and want to activate it for online shopping, follow this quick guide to start making secure digital purchases. Step 1. Log into your BMO Harris online banking account through the bank's website or mobile app using your username and password. Make sure you're accessing the official BMO Harris website for security. Step 2. Navigate to the credit card or virtual card section of your account. Look for options like Manage Cards, Virtual Card, or Digital Wallet in the main menu. Step 3. Locate your new BMO Harris virtual card in your account dashboard. You should see the card number, expiration date, and CVV security code displayed on the screen. Step 4. Click on Activate Card or Enable Card button next to your virtual card details. Some accounts may require you to verify your identity before activation. Step 5. Confirm your activation by entering any requested verification information, such as the last 4 digits of your social security number, your date of birth, or a one-time code sent to your registered phone or email. Step 6. Review the virtual card terms and conditions if prompted, then confirm your acceptance. This ensures you understand the card's usage policies and security features. Step 7. Once activated, you can immediately use your BMO Harris virtual card for online purchases. Add the card to your digital wallet on your smartphone for easy access during checkout. Step 8. Test your virtual card by making a small online purchase to verify it's working correctly. Check your transaction history in your BMO Harris account to confirm the purchase was processed successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.